The Boho Babe Homestead Shop and Unbox channel. So I have a big mess right here. This was supposed to be an unboxing video, but the video stopped midway and it's taken longer than I anticipated, and I don't want this to be too long. But anyway, let's get to the point. I don't know if you guys saw my last video where I unboxed the bohemian theme nightstand for my bedroom, and I told y'all that I had ordered the dresser or the chest of drawers, whatever you want to call this. But I finally got it. Well, it was delivered a long time, but it was held up in my logistics company, so it took me a pretty while to clear it. But anyway, I got it for $37. This is what it's supposed to look like. It's the Rattan drawers, 6 drawer, and it's 4 feet wide. It's a pretty big package. The dresser is a little over 47 inches, so it's roughly 4 feet wide. It should be 4 feet wide. I have unboxed most of the parts. I'm just checking off the parts to ensure that I have everything for it. I will not be assembling it now, but head over to the Boho Babe Homestead channel to subscribe, turn on your notification, because that's where I will be posting or perhaps going live when I am assembling these items. So let me show you guys. It's the exact match. It's identical. It's the same color and the same style as the nightstand that I had, which I'm pretty happy about. And it's so solid. Like this, it's not solid wood, but it's pretty strong. I'm impressed and I'm happy with the purchase. So this is the face of the drawer. It's upside down. So this is the face, and it's 6, as you can see on the picture of the instructions. So it's rattan, but it's solid at the back. Some of them I don't think they're solid at the back. It's just this piece of cloth thing. So ears, what the hell? So air and dust can flow through it, but these are solid at the back. And the drawer, the bottoms of the drawers are very solid. They don't bend like some assembled furniture usually do. I gotta go through this. But overall, go TEMU. I'm happy with this purchase, and like I said, I got this for $37. How I got it for $37? I saved the smaller one. Went back on the app one day, and I saw this one, the 6 drawer one. Didn't realize that it was bigger, and I just had to grab this deal. And that's how I got it for $37. The price for it now is $125. And the one that I saw originally, the one that I had my eyes on, was a 3 drawer one. And that one was 31 or 32 inches wide. And it was $107. So that's how I shop. I keep my eyes out for the deals. Like if I want something, I just save it and I just look around, keep my eye around, keep my eyes on it, monitor it, and as soon as the price goes down to the lowest I've seen or whatever I'm comfortable with, I just make my purchase. And that's how I grab good deals. So this is it. I think it's a bit shorter than I think these legs are a bit shorter than the nightstand, but like I said, it's identical. It's very sturdy. This is the material that it's made of, but it's very solid. Not waterproof, but very solid. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. Remember, head over to the Boho Babe Homestead if you want to see me assemble these products, as well as the finished look of the homestead tiny home when I'm done with it. And subscribe to this channel for more unboxing videos, more deals and steals, and just to see what I got. Thank you for watching.